Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone speaker sound too low problem on your Apple device. So guys, if the sound of your Apple device is too low, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply clean the speakers of your iPhone gently with a brush. So guys, simply clean it with a brush, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, restart it and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings on your device, then go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. If there is any update available for you, simply update it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply go to accessibility in the settings and then scroll it below and go to audio and visuals and then scroll it below, and from here you have to simply adjust the audio volume balance between left and right channels. So guys, simply adjust it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply contact the Apple Service Center for the inspection of your speakers of your iPhone. So guys, if the speaker is not okay or it has some problems, then they will change the speakers of your iPhone, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.